Hola, friends. Please join us as we explore the idea of suspend or go. So we know from our walking section that as we travel across the floor, we use soft leg joints to absorb height changes. Ideally, we want to look like we're just floating or hovering across the floor while all the legs do all the work. However, when we want to come out of the forward movement or the walking movement and come to a pause or a pivot, we have to create a different motion. Otherwise, it all feels the same. And so we use a long vertical leg to indicate a pause or a pivot.
Aside from a follower's extension, where we want an active leg to give our partner space and then to move on to that leg, we think of the light leg, the leg that doesn't have the weight on it or only partial weight on it, as hanging from the hip loosely. It is sometimes said that the light leg belongs to the leader to play with. When we come onto the stop motion, it's kind of like a feeling to me like stepping up onto a curb, bringing us up to a new elevation, and it's definitely a stop. I'm not going to go through a curve. I'm going to come to a point.
So we encourage you to explore this feeling in your own practice. When we are working in our solo practice, what does it feel like to try to stop without the idea of stepping up on that curve? How successful are you in creating that stop without that motion? And vice versa. What does it feel like to try to keep going while raising the height of the level? You might discover that there are some things that work really well for you in your movement and some things that, that didn't work quite as well. And we encourage that discovery so that way you can own that decision of, I know that this particular movement creates this in my body.
Explore that. And when we're ready, let's click on the next button and join up at the next exploration. Until then, abrazos.
Abrazos.